The oceans cover 71% of the planet's surface, approximately 355.255 square kilometers. Taiwan is situated west of the Pacific, east of the Taiwan Strait, north of Bosher Channel, and south of the East China Sea. As an island nation, understanding the ocean is vital to opening our eyes into the future. But the ocean is so vast and mysterious, and our knowledge is so scant. As we uncover and divulge the mysteries of the ocean, we're also building the foundations of our future. To satisfy the urgent need to increase our knowledge of the oceans, an institution filled with marine biology and digitized archives continues to lead research in marine science. It's also here to promote marine culture, conservation, and general science. A museum to encourage industrial cooperative research. Founded in the year 2000 at the southern tip of Taiwan, the National Museum of Marine Biology and Aquarium. The museum is located within Kending National Park, and it occupies a large area at the northern tip of Southeast Asia's Coral Triangle, with clear waters on the shorelines and a water temperature suitable for coral growth. The tropical surroundings and diverse biology are endless resources for all kinds of research, making this a unique and a very important museum. Through exploration and studies, it's slowly uncovering marine biology's way of living and the meaning behind their lives. And to share this with the public is the mission the museum was founded upon. The continuous research and results gathered from the various marine bioscience are the most prized assets the museum holds, and also key to the accumulation of marine knowledge. The current directions of research are marine biodiversity and collection, research of marine environment monitoring, research of marine life propagation, research of beluga and other exhibit animals, biology and cryopreservation of shallow water and mesophotic coral, research of coral, dinoflagellate endosymbiosis, and biomedical applications of marine natural products. Ever since its opening, the accumulative total of international publications is first among aquaria worldwide, of which the research relating to coral garnered international attention. For the purposes of sustainable development and to cultivate future talents for marine research, the aquarium collaborated with National Donghua University and established the Graduate Institute of Marine Biology within the aquarium. The academics within the aquarium are adjunct educators. They recruit graduate students to the research team in the aquarium and are given access to the resources here to complete their degree. Due to this unique feature and development potential, since its opening, the aquarium has nurtured hundreds of masters and doctorates and attracts hundreds of interns annually from Taiwan, Southeast Asia, Europe, and elsewhere. The internships are held during summer and winter breaks. Throughout their research, they are required to sample marine organisms. These samples cannot be regularly obtained from the field, so the aquarium created a Center for Marine Biology to develop propagations for various marine organisms and meet research and exhibition needs. The aquarium is also conducting challenging research on propagation in the hope of developing methods to propagate rarer species so as to conserve those that are overfished. In addition to cultivation for research use, namely corals and ornamental fish, the aquarium also established an animal shelter commissioned by the Council of Agriculture. The main purpose is to provide shelter for rare and endangered marine species, such as the welfare and medical care of sea turtles. The shelter has had great success with sea turtles, most of which are later released back into the wild. Corals are another main emphasis of research. The aquarium has a world-class facility for artificial propagation of corals, which until now have cultivated roughly 8,500 coral branches and propagated 86 species of corals. Besides marine life propagation, the researchers also tackle a variety of topics such as coral cellular biology, molecular biology, coral dinoflagellate endosymbiosis, cryopreservation, marine ecology, and biomedical applications of corals. Research results have gradually come to be applied in pharmaceutical and cosmetic products. The research now in progress will be transformed into general science subjects to support and enrich our displays. It's also the basis of sustainable conservation, operation, and management of our seas, and helps develop the marine biotechnology industry. Through research, we have increased our understanding of the seas. How we pass on the wisdom lies in the mission of our archives department. There's a mysterious section within the aquarium. Shelves are stacked with bottles of marine life specimens. What appears to be a space of tranquility are the building blocks of the museum. Biology archives carry the evidence and the legacy of their research provided by the specimens. It provides opportunities for future reference. And through the development of technology, many archives have now been digitized. Researchers and the general public can access our database and see every specimen's data and photos. Through the system, they can also pick a topic of their choice and have access to the digital analysis database. This is a lens into the future. The idea of a boundless marine education that we swear by. The construction of the Science Park of Marine Education has created a more diversified platform for marine education. Through interdisciplinary cooperation and methods of strategic alliance, we're able to instill our ideals of openness, sharing and learning, and promote events via collaboration with other partners. The aquarium is the center to provide marine education, a collection exhibition and education provider, and for the nation to have marine education readily available. The ultimate goal is to guide the public into learning and treasuring the sea, and to elevate citizens' sense of responsibility for the sea. If a boundless marine education is the mission statement for the Science Park of Marine Education, then bringing nature into the museum is the aquarium's guiding design principle. The aquarium is open to the public throughout the year. It is both for entertainment and education, the best venue to facilitate marine education. The idea is to display the natural ecosystems in the museum, to bring to life and be as close to nature as possible, so that our visitors can really understand the real wilderness. For that reason, the aquarium replicated the natural habitat and provided every exhibit the most suitable living conditions, such as garden eels perched in water tanks filled with sandy texture at the bottom. Fiddler crabs live in tanks that mimic tidal change. Clownfish are exhibited alongside sea anemones. Moray eels hide in reef rocks. Nocturnal fish delve deep inside shipwrecks. But there's more. The aquarium also created a complete ecosystem. Cleaner fishes are on hand at the medical station to help out with all sorts of cleaning and parasite removals. Top predators roam in tanks looking for their next meal, and bandwagoners, such as the remoras, latch themselves onto the belly of bigger fish. The whole exhibition provides visitors the most realistic appearance of the sea. When they leave the exhibit, does that mean the learning is over? How do we continue the process after they've feasted on the knowledge of the sea, to take home their excitement and share willingly about what they saw? The aquarium not only translated the research into creative gifts and products and provide them to tourists, we also published books on surfing spots in Kanding and other topics such as nudibranchs to explore Kanding's shorelines and secret gardens. There is also a periodical called Mysteries of the Ocean to share the latest news in marine sciences, conservation and events info. There's also high-definition filming production on marine biology and an abundance of short clips to be found on Facebook and YouTube for the public to have easier access to the seas. In the future, the aquarium will develop into a science park featuring coral reefs at its 35-hectare back area, the Marine Education Science Park. The idea is to let anyone, whether they're kids, students, families, tourists, artists, or professionals arriving at our doors to enjoy the beauty and understand the meaning of marine life, to open their minds in a relaxed environment so they'll get inspired and live to learn. Facing the vast seas, we as humans should be humbled by it, and as an inhabitant on an island nation, we should learn the right way to coexist with the seas, to live together as one. We hope the Aquarium can bring alight the knowledge of marine education. We desperately want to open people's eyes to the seas. We hope to strive for a better future, as we did years ago when it all began on a rugged fish farm. We hope the existence of the Aquarium will bring people closer to the sea, understand the seas, cherish and protect the seas. Let the seas always be the treasure we explore and cherish.